Hey y'all, I'm cooking. I don't know what I'm cooking, but it was a whole tuna, and I got half of it, and I cut it up. I washed it, and I put it in here with some bell peppers, onions, carrots, onion soup mix, some sunflower oil, a little bit of butter, and this is curry and Mrs. Dash. Please hold. Okay, I added some salt, brown sugar, and water. And we're just gonna let this simmer for a little bit. Please hold. Okay, I put some water in there and some Mrs. Dash. And I'm also boiling some noodles with the egg that has carrots and a little bit of green peppers and onions in it as well. And we'll see how it turns out. Please hold. Okay, this is my thickening secret. Instead of using flour, I use potato flakes, and it's flavored, so it'll give it some more flavoring. So we'll see. Please hold. And there we have curry tuna. We'll see what it looks like. And here's the finished product. That's the rice, the tuna stew or curry tuna, and the noodles. And we'll see how it tastes. This is for 2 people. We eat out of 1 plate, but I think it'll be well. So, 5 reasons to be grateful. I love you, and the Most High loves you more. Shalom.